Cosine rule is normally used to get a relation between sides and cos of any one of the angle. Okay, so generally it is used to find an angle when all three sides are given, or if one angle and two sides comprising those angles are given and third side is asked. Now these may seem a bit complicated. What I mean to say is, let's say if angle A is given, side C and side B are given. Now B and C are just symbolic. Basically angle A and two sides which comprise angle A is given and they are asking the third side. So we can use cosine rule. How do we write the formula for that? A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Okay, this formula, if you will just try to make cos A as the subject, it can also be written as cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square over 2BC. Just try to see the pattern that if I am writing cos A, then I am taking the two sides B and C. So B square plus C square taken over here minus A square over 2BC. So this formula which is there in the green box, it will be used when they are asking us to find angle A. And the formula which is written above that, which I am putting now in the box, it will be used to find A. So similar to A, I can rewrite the same formula for B also. So I'll write B square is equal to, now I'm writing for B square. B square means I should be having B angle B, I should be having C side, and I should be having side A. So it will be B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. AC cos B, cos of angle between A and C. That is like a pattern. If you can catch the pattern, you need not learn them as formulas. And in the same way, if I just replicate it, then I'll write C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Between A and B, we have this C. So the formulas which I am putting in pink boxes, these are the ones which will be used to get the unknown side. And if we have to find unknown angle, then from the second formula, I can get cos B. Cos B will be equal to A square plus C square minus B square over 2AC. And I can also get cos C in the same manner. It will be A square plus B square minus C square over 2AB. So the formulas which I'm putting, which I'm highlighting with yellow, these all are the ones which we can use to get the unknown angle. And the other three formulas which are recreated from them only or vice versa, they can be used to get the unknown side. So this is overall application of cosine rule. Cosine rule can be used as per what they have given in the question, but better understanding will be when we solve questions based on it.